Yes, that's what I want to say.
We want to make agriculture digital and make India digital.
Yes, to provide a facilitative framework for electronic trading.
Electronic trading like ENAM uses physical mandi structure. What will happen to ENAM if mandis are destroyed in absence of trading?
Yes, I can also eventually in the MSP based procedure system.
Thank you everyone for joining us. As you all can see how the debate is going on, it is not clear yet, it is bad or good.
Now we show you the scene third that how farmers are protesting at Ghazipur border.
Scene 3.
Hello, welcome to NDTV. I am Ayasutta and it is the 26th day of the farmers' protest. Today farmers will do a 24-hour hunger strike. Despite such a tough attitude of the farmers, the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar hoped for a public solution to this matter. In the meantime, the government has invited the farmers to negotiate, but the farmers says that many rounds of negotiate passed away, but nothing happened yet. So let's see what the farmers leaders Rakesh Tiket and farmers say. Now we are joining with our reporter Pradiksha.
Yes sir, please tell us how this last protest will run.
The farmers are not going to live here. They said to negotiate, but they have not yet to negotiate.
With the increased cold in Delhi, the attitude of some farmer protest became sticker. So let's talk to some farmer. Hello sir.
Hello.
Why are you here?
We have come here to take our right and will not go anywhere without taking our right. And government will have to withdraw the 3 agriculture laws.
But sir, government is saying that we are bringing these laws to improve mandis.
But the truth that these laws will destroy the mandis.
These 3 bills should not be passed. This will cause a lot of loss to us farmers.
We do not have a mention which will store our crop. We will cut crop and plants another crop in our field. Only then our livelihood will work.
So what are your demands?
We only demand that the laws will be replaced and will not accept anything short of it.
But sir, these are for your benefits.
We have no benefit from these laws. The only disadvantage the government is doing of its own benefits. We are against these laws. Jai Jawan! Jai Kisan! Jai Jawan! Jai Kisan! Ban karo!
But sir, because of these farming, you got the farming in contract.
Due to the contract farming process, the farmer will be weak in the term of prices and discussing the sale and purchase term with the sponsor.
The sponsor may not like to contract due to excess of small farmers.
Tana Sahib! Tana Sahib! Kala Kanun! Kala Kanun! Jai Jawan! Jai Kisan! Jai Jawan! Jai Kisan!
Because of Essential Commodity Act, large companies will have the ability to store more of the crops, so they can put pressure on the farmers in terms of prices. In such circumstances, the prices will increase drastically, which will be difficult to control later.
Thank you.
Now we show you the scene that how farmers are protesting. We also show that some farmers who even don't know what is this and why they are here.
Scene 4.
We are at Ghazipur border. The roads are blocked because of thousands of farmers who are protesting. Let's see. Hello, sir.
Hello,
What's your name?
I am dancing.
Why are you here? What's your demand?
I am here because my friend asked me to travel with him.
Do you know what here is going on? What is thief on bills?
Yes, it is a protest here. I think it's a law, but I don't know what's going on here.
So as you can see here also the farmer who even don't know what it is said. Why they are there? This is so strange.
Now we show you the same thing. This was the scene where farmer protest is going on.
Now we show you the scene that how farmers are protesting at Peripheral Highway.
Good afternoon. You are watching G News. I am with you. I am Anshika Sani. Farmer protest continued. So today is 7 January. Yesterday we know that farmer will protest about 3 farm bill and take out a tractor rally. And today we saw that Delhi rally succeeding. So today is Poonam Pandit also participated in this rally and she drive a tractor. Now we are connecting with our reporter Komal. Hello Poonam ji. Hello. Please tell us your experience.
We were at a peripheral highway. There were 1500 to 1600 tractors and 25,000 to 30,000 farmers also. And politicians should not give us weird names. I think it also hits our nation reputation. Government is not listening to us still.
So as you guess, when tractor rally is raised from system, there is any type of problem you face?
No, I have not faced any type of problems.
let's see how farmers are protesting. This was incident which was held on 7 January where farmer protest is going on and road is blocked.
Yeah, there is 100 number of people involved in a tractor rally.
Let's see what was that booming scene.
Scene 6. Hello, Poonamji.
Hello.
Yes, Poonamji, did you drive a tractor by yourself?
Yes, why not? Why can't I tractor myself? I'm the daughter of the farmer. I came for my right.
Ma'am, government is saying that they want to check the RC of all tractors.
Check, of course. It is not of dishonesty. The government also talks strangely.
Ma'am, Agriculture Minister is saying that some of you farmers who are protesting are fake farmers.
So ask that minister who is the real farmer. Half of the farmer of the India is protesting here the movement. Ask them only where is the real farmer.
Ma'am, Minister says that these fake farmers are getting support from Pakistan and plotting hard against India.
Tell me firstly, who is the fake farmers? We the people of India aspire so much that by standing on the foundation of Pakistan, we will fight a movement here. We the people of India do not beg, we fight on their own.
Ma'am, what are you protesting for? What are your demands from government?
We just want to repeal the bill.
Ma'am, when the protest started, all the people who are farmers joined this protest. Did you have any problem?
No, but I have faced some problems. Like tear gas, fired at us and pointed barbed wire while we were protesting.
But it was planted by Indian Army and there is reason behind it.
No, this is all just a BJP party drama.
Ma'am, not sure. It is done to protect Ghazipur border.
It's not like that. We knew all the strategy of BJP party drama.
It's your opinion, but
What but?
nothing. I'm just thinking about tractor rally.
So what?
My question is that whatever was done by farmers, it is right.
Everything was alright, but there was one mistake. The government who joined us, the people who joined us, and they thrown our national flag Tiranga.
Yeah, ma'am, but just think all police officers who get by tractors, it is just.
No, but I have already said everything was alright. It is not a commit of innocent farmers. It is a commit of some criminals.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Jai Jawan! Jai Kisan! Jai Jawan!
As you all are seeing that farmer protest has continued and it is not going to stop so soon. Thank you and see you again after a short break.
Now, I would like to call our classmates to speak some slogan on this topic.
किसान है अन्नदाता, किसान है देश का भाग्य विधाता।
Every day is a good day to be a farmer.
As a farmer, I am outstanding in my field.
To be a farmer, dirt is not waste, it is wealth.
Sustain nature, sustain greenery, sustain nature, sustain world, sustain nature, sustain farmer.
The harvest is plentifully, but the laborers are few.
The food we take with 5 fingers into the mouth is the hard work and sweat of farmer who works in hot sun.
Farmers are the backbone of our nation. They need our respect, not sympathy.
Education is the ability to listen to almost everything while losing your temporary or self-confidence.
लोग कहते हैं कि बेटी नहीं बचाओगे तो बहू कहाँ से लाओगे। लोग कहते हैं कि बेटी नहीं बचाओगे तो बहू कहाँ से लाओगे। मैं कहता हूँ कि किसान नहीं बचाओगे तो रोटी कहाँ से लाओगे।
At least once in your lifetime, you will need a doctor, a lawyer, a policeman and a teacher. But every day, 3 times a day, you need a farmer.
हैरान हूँ परेशान हूँ, दर बदर ठोकर खा कर भी खड़े रहने वाला चट्टान हूँ। हालातों से जो हार न माने, मैं वो इंसान हूँ। हाँ मैं किसान हूँ, हाँ मैं किसान हूँ।
All of you just saying witnessed violence. Now we show you the love of Indians towards our nation through our small dance performance.
किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा। किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा। अंबर नीला, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। गेहूं के खेतों में कंघी जो करे हवाएं, रंग बिरंगी कितनी चुनरियां उड़ उड़ जाए। पनघट पर पनहारन जब गगरी भरने आए, मधुर मधुर तारों में कहीं बंसी बंसी कोई बजाए न सुन लो, कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी, कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बाप के कंधे चढ़ के जहाँ बच्चे देखे मेले, मेलों में नट के तमाशे, कुल्फी के चाट के ठेले। कहीं मिलती मीठी गोली, कहीं चिल्ड्रन की है गुड़िया, भोले भोले बच्चे हैं जैसे गुड्डे और गुड़िया। इनको रोज सुनाना दादी नानी हो, रोज सुनाए दादी नानी एक परियों की कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा, ओ ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। मेरे देश में मेहमानों को भगवान कहा जाता है, वो यही का हो जाता है जो कहीं से भी आता है। ऐसा देश है मेरा, हो जैसा देश है तेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ जैसा देश है तेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ जैसा देश है मेरा। कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, और कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले।
हमारे नाइट में पेड़ की
clap everyone. Good afternoon, respected principal sir, parents, my dear students and teachers. As you have seen that the lovely performance is presented by our 9th K. The topic was India's policies, 3 form of the bill. Recently it has passed. As we all know that India is known as an agriculture country. कृषि प्रधान देश हमारा माना जाता है। तो इस कक्षा की प्रस्तुति को देखते हुए हम कुछ विचार और कुछ अप्रिशिएशन वर्ड्स पेरेंट्स से पूछना चाहते हैं।